Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is one comfort food, which is tau you bak or braised pork belly. So I have approximately 200 grams maybe, or 250 grams of pork belly here, cut into squarish pieces, cubes like this. And I actually blanch it using boiling water for approximately 5 minutes. So this is already, after I blanch, then I wash it, then only I cut. It's actually easier to cut after you blanch, right? That is one tip. And then this is already like half cooked after you blanch for 5 minutes. Then I will try to do the caramelization of sugar. So this is about 1 tablespoon of rock sugar here. Now you can actually skip the caramelization step if you like. Actually, Appa hasn't been very successful. And this is some hot water, and here I have some fried onion. Yeah, some fried onion. This is about half teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, some light soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, and also dark soya sauce. So I blanched the pork for the pork belly for at least about 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, before I cut it into cubes. And you can see all the bubbles, all those are the scums, yeah, scums releasing. And by removing all these scums, we will remove the gaminess from the pork belly itself. So blanching process is actually very important. So this is after about 2-3 minutes using medium low heat, yeah, and you can see the sugar has actually caramelized, become darker brownish color. If you throw in the pork right now, my experience told me that it's going to crystallize. So I saw some people will actually add in some hot water here, but be very careful. This is super hot. So when you add in the hot water, it may splatter. Let me try, but you have to be very careful. Alright, so now we have a bit of like a sugary syrup. It also crystallized a little bit, but it's fine. So you want to use this caramelized sauce. You can on higher heat right now. To coat your pork belly, to give it some basic brownish color. Let me make it totally melted, because it crystallized a little bit just now. Alright. Now I can put in the pork belly. So immediately you give your pork belly some caramelized color. Oops. But like I said, it can be very hot and it will splatter. Be very careful with this part. If you are not comfortable, just skip this part. To be very frank, I don't think I'm very successful also. It's too watery, so the color doesn't really come out. But still, anyhow, still going to come out very tasty. So let's add in this, the herbs, and together with the onion. Fried onion is actually a very important ingredient here. You will notice I didn't even put in any fresh garlic or fresh onion. You can if you want to. That's even better. Today I'm doing some simplified version. Let's give it another bowl of hot water. Why use hot water? Because you try not to reduce the temperature of your wok. So now we can give it 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, some Shaoxing wine, and some dark soya sauce. This is more for the color. You want it boiling? I can now put in some salt as well. We already have some sugar inside. I can adjust the sugar towards the end also. So it is now boiling. What I'm going to do next is to close the lid. Tune down to medium-low heat and let it continue simmer for at least about 15 minutes to allow the broth to reduce. This is much faster than I thought, only about 6-7 minutes, because maybe my fire is too hot. I put about medium heated, maybe a bit too hot. So it reduces very fast, but anyhow, because the pork belly is already half cooked, so it already gives you some, the broth already reduces, yeah? Already thickened up. It's basically done. Less than 10 minutes actually. Okay, I'm going to dish it out. Okay, very fast. I'm going to put some fresh coriander on top. If you got fried garlic, you can put on top as well. Okay. It's basically done. Very simple, but it goes really well with white porridge or white rice. I'm going to eat it together with my steamed egg just now. Alright, so thank you for watching Apa's video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now, if I may remind you, just now initially I said 15 minutes, but actually this is only about 5-6 minutes. It is the water, the sauce already reduces very fast. My fire is too hot. I should have lowered it down. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.